Okay, we're going to look at the letter C. The C makes the K sound like in the clicking camera card C. When the letter C is followed by the letter A, O, U, or a consonant, it's going to make the K sound like our clicking camera C. When the letter C is followed by the letter E, I, or Y, it's going to make the S sound like our sizzling sausage card. When C is followed by A, O, U, or a consonant, it says K, like in cat, cold, cut, clown. The letter C is considered the hard C with these sounds. It makes the K sound. Like in the word falcon, cake, and cup. The C is followed by the letter O in falcon, and it makes the hard C, K. In the word cake, the C is followed by an A, and it makes the K sound. That is the hard C. In the word cup, the C is followed by the letter U, and it makes the K sound, and that is the hard C. When C is followed by E, I, or Y, it says S, like in face, circus, and cylinder. This is the soft C sound. S. Like in the word mice, where the C is followed by the E, that is soft C. S. Celery, the E follows the C, which is the soft C. S. And ice, the C is followed by an E, which makes the soft C. S. So we're going to look at soft or hard C. You're going to say whether it is the soft sound or the hard sound. And the soft sound is S, and the hard sound is K. Remember, with the soft sound, the C is going to be followed by an E, I, or Y. The hard sound, the C will be followed by A, O, U, or a consonant. The first one is caught. Is caught hard or soft? If you said hard, you are correct because the letter C is followed by the O. Caught. Race. Hard or soft? If you said soft, then you are correct because the letter C is followed by E and it makes the S sound. Cup. If you said hard, you are correct because the letter C is followed by U and the C makes the K sound. Fancy. If you said soft, you are correct because the letter C is followed by the Y, which makes the C soft. S. Cold. Hard or soft? If you said hard, you are correct because the letter C is followed by the letter O. K. Candy. If you said the C was hard, you are correct because the letter C is followed by an A, which makes the C say K, the hard sound. Cake. If you said hard, you are correct because the letter C is followed by the A, and it makes the C say K, the hard sound. Space. If you said soft, you're correct because the letter C is followed by an E, and it makes the S sound. Cider. If you said soft, you are correct because the letter C is followed by the letter I, which makes the S sound, our soft C. Can. If you said hard, you are correct because the letter C is followed by the letter A, which makes the C hard. K. City. If you said soft, you are correct because the letter C is followed by the I, which makes the C soft. S. Circle. If you said soft, then you are correct because the letter C is followed by the letter I, which makes it soft. S. Cookies. If you said hard, you are correct because the letter C is followed by the letter O, which makes the hard sound. K. Okay, boys and girls, you need to remember that when a letter is followed by A, O, or U, or a consonant, the C will say K. If it is followed by E, I, or Y, it is soft and it will say S. So when you're reading those words, you be sure you're looking at the letter following the letter C, and it will help you with knowing which sound to make, whether it's the K hard sound or the S soft sound.